I'm here too.
Hey everybody, this is Daddy-Daughter Motivational Time. I am Jeffrey Jansen, and this is my beautiful daughter, Gracie. Say hi to everybody, Gracie.
Hi, guys.
We are going live today because we're out and about doing some errands, having some fun. However, today, are you motivated? Gracie's been asking me, hey Daddy, how's everybody doing on their New Year's resolutions? Are they keeping up with it? Daddy, are you keeping track of everybody, making sure to remind them to stay true to who they are? To remember to get out there and do the best they can do. To remember to be kind. If somebody steps on them, don't worry about it, keep moving forward. Well, I'm here to tell you with my daughter so she knows that I do this. We are here to motivate you, to let you know, to get out there every single day. Look, I'm in Illinois right now. Do you know how cold it is in Illinois? That should be enough motivation to get up, to get moving, just to keep warm. It's like those other things. The colder you get, the warmer you want to be. So my suggestion to you is you're out there trying to lose weight. You're out there getting off those holiday pounds, those holiday calories you put on. Then get out there and keep moving. Take your kids with you. Okay? I tell you what, as long as everybody's moving, you're not going to freeze to death. If you're down in Florida, come up to Illinois. I bet you have a great time up here in the cold of Illinois. But for all us up in the northern states, yes, it's cold right now. But guess what? You got to stay motivated. You got to stay positive. You know what? The nicer you are to people, the better you're going to feel. The better you're going to feel, the more you're going to want to commit your goals and commit them to memory. So basically get out there every single day. Do stuff with your children. Take walks. Go running. Go to the swimming pools, the Croc Center, the YMCA. Go out to Sheridan. Go out to your local indoor pools and go swimming with your kids. Even if you don't know how to swim, your kids should always know how to swim. But look at it like this. If you're too busy getting on Facebook and social media, complaining about what everybody's doing with you, complaining about how you got a person that's being negative and somebody insulted you or your family and you got to go to the top of the water tower to defend your sister's honor, Jeff Foxworthy joke by the way, then you need get off your high horse, quit typing, forgive the person, who cares what they said about you or your family, and keep moving forward. It just means their maturity level has not caught up with them yet. They may never catch up with them. And if you are letting these people in your life to get to you, you need new friends, okay? Look, if you're not out there every day smiling and trying to do better for yourself, do better for your family, and you're so worried about what everybody else thinks and does, then obviously you're giving them the time in your mind, which is wasting basically time that you could be spending with your kids, spending with your family. That's time that you could be wasting with a client, time that you'd be wasting where instead you could be walking an extra couple miles or going to make a couple sales, make money. You're doing everything but what you need to be doing. What you need to be doing is putting yourself first so that your family can always come first. Who cares what other people say? Who cares what other people do? Who cares what other people say or think? Look, if you need to, go into court. Get rid of these negative people in your life. I don't care how you do it. Because your kids are going to be a direct reflection on how you respond to all this negativity. And if you teach your kids to be a bully or to teach them they need to fight back, then you're doing no better than what everybody else is doing. Look, only you are in control of your own destiny. Only you can be a better person you are.